What's up, everybody? I hate Christmas lights. Okay, I don't hate Christmas lights. I hate putting Christmas lights up. So guess what? This year, I ain't gonna do it. I have a special guest and a good friend here who's going to be taking care of this, and I am going to be providing some color commentary along the way because I hate Christmas lights. Let's do it.
What's up, everybody?
I remember the first time I backed up a trailer. I guess I just feel like I need to make sure that everybody for the next 7 miles can see my house.
And that's probably the better option. And all these strands should go on one plug?
Well, I would assume so. There's not that many.
It's going to be quite a bit.
Yeah? I don't know. See? I don't know.
Because it's kind of windy. I don't want to leave the tall ladder way up there.
No, you can't.
Because that has been known to fall,
You can't find your knife?
It's in here. So my plan is to staple as far as my arm can reach, and then the main focus will be to drop this down and plug it in immediately, just so that as I'm going I can see if there's a bulb that's out and I can fix it right away rather than waiting till it's all done.
And what could possibly go wrong?
Nothing.
We have light.
We do?
Yeah, look.
Okay, it's hard to see. Oh, there they go.
Would you look at it? Just look at it.
I know, right?
So wait, hey, Freddy, how tall is that ladder?
Yeah. When it's fully extended, 27 feet.
How high are you right now?
Yeah, 15.
I feel like that ladder's going to waste at the moment.
Yeah. But between 27 to 20 feet, you need this ladder. Okay, staple.
Staple.
So the key is stretch it out while you've got it. And normally we would just do that and go to the next one. But because John lives so far away, I'm gonna do the other side too. So hopefully it stays up longer.
That's what she said.
There we go. You gotta do everything you can. Make it work.
I appreciate that he's taking the time to educate me on putting up Christmas lights, on which I will never do and can't stand doing. But the professionalism here is really on point. Look, Freddy's famous. He travels with his own camera crew.
Tall ladder extended and it's windy. So it's not very windy.
He's giving safety
Right
tips.
now.
Here, Freddy, I got something for you too.
What do you got? Oh, nice hat. Thank you.
If you drop it, you'll never find it again, so
Okay.
just look out, especially in the lawn.
It's a little tight, but I'll fix that.
No, wait, hey, what happened to your head? All right, so somehow I got roped into this. Now I'm up on my roof, above my garage, kind of a long drop down that way. Freddy's coming up here because he can't reach this, so now I'm gonna have to learn to love doing lights, which I still really don't. But we're gonna be up here clicking all these together now. Yeah, it's fun. Freddy, how you doing?
Great. Now that I've got some help.
Yes, it's not so bad.
Yeah, I can't.
No, you're almost there. So close. So yeah, now there's a storm kicking up, and we got to try to hit these high points before the snow really comes in, and the metal roof that we're standing on gets even the slightest bit wet. I mean, that could be fun though, right?
Oh yeah, I've never done lights in a snowstorm, so
Well, you know, it's even better when you're on a steel roof and your feet are wet.
that too. But we're in Park City.
Woo!
Yeah.
Have a
Staple something on here.
How to staple your camera shot?
Okay.
I mean, if it goes down, I think it'll get caught right there. I want a new camera for Christmas anyway.
Okay, there you go.
So we're coming into the home stretch here. Perfect timing because it's starting to snow. I'd say Freddy has way more patience than I do, which is, you know, why he's here, because, well, you already know. I hate Christmas lights. They look really good. This was also one of those days where being tall has its advantages, as I ended up doing everything along the top eave of the house, and I really just didn't feel safe with him being up there on a ladder, so it was kind of nice to be able to reach that stuff. In other news, I still hate Christmas lights. Sorry.
Water's gonna get inside. Yep, broken.
What's that?
I'm not sure why this one wasn't working, but I'm gonna have to put a brown one.
When light goes out, they all go out. That's better.
Did you see where that went? Yay. Thank you.
Trying to keep something.
The other socket, you can tell, missed the current wire. So it was basically just stabbing the rubber or plastic. And so I'm just going to make a new one right next to it, and it should work.
What percentage of should?
We're going to say 80%.
So not only is it a completely different color, it also has an 80% probability of working?
Yes.
You sound like a NASA scientist. I'm really excited to
Can you light it?
Yeah.
only look at that one every time I come out here.
Wait, you know what? I could have. You know, honestly,
You could have taken one off the other end.
I could. And I still-
No, don't do
I'm
it.
gonna do it.
Well, don't. He's
Gotta do it. No, he's fine.
He's already gonna light. He's gonna light you up.
He's fine.
Seems like it's just creating extra work.
No, but it's gonna be worth it.
Is it though?
Yeah, because you're gonna notice that brown one all the time.
I don't
we'll
come
go,
out.
We'll go to the brown one if I can't get it to work.
What's funny is I'll forget about it, but everybody who comes over and up this hill will point it out. Like, hey, what's with that one light? Like, that's a special light. I had to pay extra for that one.
Now the probability went down to 75.
75%. I'm liking these
And
odds.
this is your screwdriver. I don't want to forget that. But
It's okay. I won't charge you much
feeling
for it.
pretty good about it.
That was my great grandfather's screwdriver.
Okay. Oh man. So it did. Oh, it's just not screwed in all the way. All right. How's that?
Is there a joke in there somewhere?
I don't know.
So come on, screw in a light bulb joke. Anybody?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying not to get you banned off the internet, so.
How many chiropractors does it take to screw in a light bulb? Only one, but you need 6 visits.
Yeah.
I can't laugh too hard. I have a really good chiropractor, Dr. Fries.
So, I do too, actually. She's the one that told me that joke.
Look around, make sure I got everything.
That's perfect timing with the snow.
I know.
Look at that. Crazy.
Pull off there just to make sure.
All right, maybe hate's a strong word. I mean, I still don't love hanging them or... Heck, even putting them on the trees. My kids have been doing that for years. Oh, it just drives me nuts. The knots and the tangling and the lights out and all that crap. But I have to say, this was pretty fun. Thanks, Freddy. I appreciate it. Appreciate your help. And for warming this old Grinch's heart. I'll talk to y'all real soon.